They didn't have the posters. She just wanted to see what I'm doing so bad. I finished my board. It's so cute. All right, it is, welcome back to my channel, y'all. By the time y'all watching this, it's gonna be 2024, so happy new year. We're not even gonna, well, let me give y'all, well, we're not even gonna get into that. I wanted to get this video up before the new year, but I just thought of the idea literally yesterday. And today's Friday, so I think it's gonna be like a weekend reset kind of thing. I don't know what I'm gonna title the video, but basically today, tomorrow, and Sunday, I'm just gonna be getting myself together for the new year, decluttering, cleaning. Y'all know I always do weekly resets or weekend resets, Sunday resets, so this is nothing new if you guys been watching my channel for a little bit. I came up with this video idea for the month of November, so a month ago, but because I had some stuff going on around that time, I wasn't able to film that video. So basically we're gonna be doing it for the new year, just like resetting, doing a whole bunch of stuff. These are the type of videos that I like to watch, so I was like, why not just make a video like this? I want to do a vision board. I've done a vision board once and I was in college. I was like 5 years ago. So I've been scrolling on TikTok and I've seen so many like vision board ideas, and I just feel like that's just my sign to make one. Last night I was looking for pictures like on Pinterest that I want to print out. I'm actually gonna go to Walmart to print them out, or CVS, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna go to Walmart first because I want to get the poster to put the pictures on, and while I'm there I might just print the pictures. I should have just did the hour pickup so that by the time I get there the pictures are ready. I can buy the frame and then come home and put it together. If you guys hear anything in the background, that is Bluey, because Bayla over here is bougie and she do not take a nap or calm down unless she watching Bluey. So I got the 24-hour Bluey running. Whenever I leave the house, I have it on for her. I have to, actually I'm gonna wake her up because she has to go outside before I leave. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna come back home, I'm gonna get started on this vision board, and yeah. So as you guys can see, I have gone nowhere yet. Well, that's a lie. It's 2 o'clock. I left the house. I got a call from my mom as I was leaving the house. I lost 3 hours of time doing nothing, and I'm irritated because now it's about to get dark out. I had to rush back home to feed Bayla because she's been in a cage for forever, and I really don't want to honestly do anything now. I don't like doing things late. Like, I'm not a late person. Like, I like getting up and doing things and being efficient and quick, and like I don't like waiting until the last minute or waiting until it's dark outside to do stuff. Like, if you're gonna do something, we're gonna do it early. So I woke up with my intention of getting up. Like, I'm just mad. I don't even want to talk about it. The whole reason why I'm explaining this is because I do not like filming when I got an attitude or when I'm upset. I probably won't be leaving anytime soon because I had to feed her, and I don't leave after I feed her because she obviously has to go out. She's on a whole routine, so that just like kind of messed up my whole day. I was supposed to be back before I even had to do anything like that. Already planned on being back before I had to feed her for lunch and take her out. So I guess in the meantime, going to look for more pictures on Pinterest of more things that I wanted to add because I felt like I didn't have a lot of pictures. So order some food. By that time I'll take her out, and then I might just wait till later tonight to go to the store or tomorrow morning. So I just threw off my whole weekend. Bye. Say hi. Tell them they're taking a nap. It is, as you guys can see, getting dark outside. I ordered Chick-fil-A, and now I am, oh, my laptop's about to die. That is great. I ordered Chick-fil-A, calm down. And now I'm about to, I'm gonna let my laptop charge a little bit because I can't import while my laptop is charging because my hard drive is already plugged in. So I was gonna leave a little bit later, but I don't feel like going nowhere, honestly. I think tomorrow I'm gonna get up early. We're gonna try it again. You know what I'm saying? With no distraction and no curveballs. But yeah, I didn't even finish my last Vlogmas video, which is a video before this one that I'm probably gonna try to upload on Sunday because it's the 31st. So I want to get that, like, keep that in 2023. I'm basically just gonna finish that video because I never finished it. So I'm probably just gonna film an outro for it. Then I'll start editing this video. I'm gonna import this, wind down, take a shower, eat, get ready for bed, and I will check in with you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Hopefully y'all can hear me because there we go with the damn vent. It's now 8:30. I'm about to brush my teeth and wash my face. I hate how this vent is so loud. I want to get a new camera hopefully next year because I feel like my audio is not how I like it. I feel like it picks up everything and doesn't tune out certain things. I want a microphone so you guys can hear me specifically and not everything else surrounding me. I'm brushing my teeth and washing my face. I'm gonna listen to music. Thank you. So I'm sitting here, I'm trying to find one more picture because I have 30 pictures and I have 39 pictures. I need one more picture. Because I have so many pictures that have like quotes and stuff and like sayings, and I don't want the whole board to be sayings. I'm trying to find like, I don't know, let's see, hold on. Let me see. Sit down. Right.
Always back in your lips, bro.
For real.
Hey,
What's that about? Let me see y'all when I'm at the store because I'm just gonna go get ready real quick. All right guys, I'm at Walmart. Hold on, let me turn this down. And I need a board. Damn, where's the board? I'm about to get mad. Oh my God. I'll get the glue and I'm gonna get this glue. This noise is killing me. Okay, I added all of them. They're uploading. There's one specific picture that I'm trying to get on there, but it's not uploading and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of dimensions. Let me try shrinking it or something. There we go. I think it was because it was too big. I'm just editing the pictures because some of them are larger. It's only $5, which is not bad. Check out. Oh, gotta put my information in. Hold on. Where they at? They better be printing. Here, Braxton's here.
I literally look like a reindeer.
She just put some blush on and look how much
I look like fucking, I don't know.
I told you, put them. You better just go and rub it in real good. I got blush on, but you can't really tell that much. They didn't have the posters, so I called my mom and I was like, "Ma," because mom ended up stopping by this morning and she said, "I'll bring you." I said, "No, Ma, I'll go because I want to go to the specific one because they got it because they said they had it in stock, right?" I go and they ain't have it, so I should listen to my mom. I called my mom. I said, "Ma, they ain't have it." She was getting her nails done, so her and Braxton ended up going to the Walmart next to where they were at after they left, like a perfect time. And I called them and mom was getting done. She was done with her nails, so they ended up going and they ended up getting me a poster, so I didn't have to go all the way to another Walmart. And then Braxton came and brought it. So look, it's huge. It's a 20 by 28, but I wanted it to be big, so there's that. I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get started on a vision board. Damn, I know one thing, it's hot. Shit, Braxton, you hot? I think I'm gonna set you guys up in Bayless cage. She's looking like, what is going in my, what's going on? That's perfect. Oh, we still have to stop this. That's okay. Oh, where you got the glue? Bayla, come on, baby. Get out the cage. You messed this stuff up all right. Go, back, here. Go. Bye. All right, homegirl trying to mess up my setup. I'll be back. Bayla, excuse me, baby. You gotta go. You take them toys. Get your butt out of here right now. Get out. You in my business. She just want to see what I'm doing so bad. What I was thinking was, it comes with this picture, and what I've been seeing people do on TikTok is use the picture, flip it over, and then glue it. I had snack and bacon today, and look at my leggings down.
Oh, I forgot my snack and bacon.
Dang, bro. The back is out, and this is what I'm talking about. How the back is white, so I'm gonna use this to put this stuff on. Boom. Let's get started. So it is actually now almost 10 o'clock, but I finished my board. It's so cute. Like I told you guys, I got all of my pictures from Pinterest and then some pictures that I already had in my phone. But I wanted to do this and get this out the way and not be actually doing it on New Year's Eve. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my routine that I usually do, like when I write everything down in my calendar. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, clean the house tomorrow. But like I said, I wanted to do the vision board and get it out the way and do it today because tomorrow is gonna be more so cleaning. All my clothes and all that stuff is organized. The closet is organized. I do wanna get rid of some clothes because I've been saying I've been wanting to get rid of some clothes. Clothes that I know I'm not gonna wear, clothes that I can't fit, I'm just gonna put in a bag and probably donate it or something like that, just to let go of some stuff that I know I'm not even gonna touch or think about, or I haven't even thought about, and I've had it for years and I just be bringing it wherever I go. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting back to this vision board. I want to do it and get it out the way because tomorrow when I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna hang it. Yep. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. Yeah, you guys can probably tell how tired I am. I've been talking for way too long. I done probably repeated myself so many times that y'all didn't even see any of the mistakes that I said or how many times I said something. It's time for me to go to bed. I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. today's this ain't a vlog, it's the next morning. I was actually up until 8 a.m. I uploaded a video. It's uploaded. It's actually gonna be posted today, but I was like, okay, since I'm up and I'm not tired, why can't I just start on this video? And I had so much footage. Usually when I film and edit the same day because it alleviates the time of me sitting there trying to edit a full video. So I did that. I'm about to go to Walmart because we need to get some stuff. The only thing we need from the grocery store is some eggs, so we're gonna go to Stop and Shop first, but I'm probably not gonna film that because we're gonna be in and out. We're gonna go to Walmart because we need to get some stuff. Today is the day that we're gonna be cleaning. We gotta get some more cleaning stuff. I ended up building this right before Christmas Eve. I ended up building that, and I don't have no pledge. I have a little bit of pledge. Yeah, I need to get some pledge. We need pine saw, trash bags, little stuff. We made a list, so we should be in and out. We gotta be back before. We don't have to rush, but Bailey has to eat for 1, and it's about to be noon. Yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get to Walmart. We gotta go. Guys, I'm over here by the picture frames. I grabbed just a few things that I needed, but I just wanted to show you guys just in case you guys have any questions about my vision board, the frame that I got it from Walmart. My mom bought it. I don't really know how much it is. I got the 20 by 28. I think it's $26. Let's see. It's $26. This is the exact one that I got. They have this exact style in different sizes too. Like they have a smaller one, but I'm gonna find some more stuff and head back home. We are back home. We've actually been back home for, damn, how long has it been? 2 hours. I had to eat something because I did not eat anything before we left the house. By the time we got to Walmart, I was damn near about to pass out. I'm about to start cleaning. So I got these things. I put them in the cabinets, like where the glasses are, just so they're just not sitting on the wood. I think I'm gonna start on the cabinets, the medicine cabinet first, then I'm gonna move to this stuff. It looks a hot mess. What I really wanted to do was go to Target and put these things, something similar to what we put Bayla stuff in. I don't understand why is this in here? Just in there like that. That makes no sense. I am so tired.
It's not even funny.
Hey! You already knew. What time is it?
It's at 7:44.
I'm still not even done cleaning. So far, I've done all the cabinets, surface clean, dishes been washed, living room is clean, room is clean, sheets are washed, everything's dried. I have laundry that I have to fold. I stopped to eat because I was hungry again. I was about to pass out. So I had to sit down and eat. Well, I didn't even sit down. I stood up and ate. And now the plan is to mop the floor, fold my clothes, put my clothes away, take the sheets out the dryer, make the bed, take what's in the washer and put it in the dryer, and then get in the shower. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's finish up cleaning because I'm ready to lay my butt down. I've officially finished. It is 11. For me to have gone to bed at 7:45 this morning and wake up at 8:45 is kind of crazy. I did want to write like in my calendar and in my planner, but I think I'm gonna save that for the morning because I'm so tired. My vision board is hung. I love how the frame literally perfectly matches the headboard. Oh, the only thing that I forgot to clean was the outside of the fridge. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm too tired. I took my shower. I ate. Oh, I can't clean tomorrow. Let me wipe that fridge right now. I'm gonna clean this fridge, wipe that fridge out, and go to bed. I said I was gonna write in my journal this morning. Well, all my journals. This one I don't even remember getting. So it started in July. I have about 6 months with this. I didn't really do too much with it because I already have my self-care planner. I got this off of Instagram. It's by Simple Self. They have an Instagram and I think a TikTok. They have different type of planners. They have a self-care. Matter of fact, let me search it up. I'll show you guys. I actually got this months ago. I got this about 6 months ago. Screen record. So this is their Instagram. They don't just have a self-care planner though. I know that for sure. See, there's the therapy companion. There's different types of ones, but I wanted to get the self-care one. This one is all about self-care, obviously. There's a self-care assessment that you like write in before you even start the book. There's a box for each thing, like your diet, fitness, school, career, relationship. That is what you would fill out prior to the new month. So I just filled out my monthly intentions for January. And then a mindful year, I think Britt got this for me. So there's 365. I feel like there's more than 365. So they're all blank. Let me read one. Are you prone to speaking before thinking? Oh.
That's for me.
Yeah, pause and think about how you're gonna say what you will want to be received to you. Oh.
Can you take a picture of that and send it to me?
I'll flip to the right page for old girl.
Yo.
Oh. All right, well, yeah, I wrote in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know how long it's gonna be. You wanna say bye, baby? You say bye, baby? My scarf is always out. Somebody explain that to me. I don't understand why this apartment building decided to put a smoke detector right over the stove knowing shit smokes. Like, does that make sense? I'm about to get mad. Open the window in the room.